In this video, we are going to discuss how you can automatically share your blog post to the Tumblr. So, for example, here you can see this is my website, and now I want to share this blog post on the Tumblr platform. Now, here I can search for Tumblr, and here you can see this is the website. Now, simply click here on sign up button, and here you can see continue with Google. Just click here and then select email. After that, click here continue button. So now here you can add blog name. For example, I want to add here enable website design 10, and here we need to add date of birth. Scroll down, then click here next. So make sure that you have added a username that's available. After that, you can select some options from these. So next you can follow some of these channels. So guys, here you can see Tumblr account is created. Now just type integrately, and here you can check your packages. So guys, here you can see these are the packages you can get and use a free package. So now I can go and log in into my account. Just click here continue with Google, and after that select email. So now here we can type, for example, when WordPress post updated, then create post Tumblr. After that click here generate button. Here you can scroll down and you can check these are the supported platforms. You can see these are the hundreds of different social media platforms that you can easily automate and integrate. So guys, here you can see automation is ready. Just click here and activate, and it will take few seconds. So guys, now the next step is we need to add a connection. Just here you can add your website username and password. So first of all, we need to add here website link. I can copy this link and add here, then add username, and after that add password. So guys, here you can see make sure that you have added a correct detail so that you will not get any type of error in connecting your website. And after that click again sign in button, so it will authorize your Tumblr account. Now you can allow access, and after that you need to fill out some required fields. So now here you can see, so this is basically called field mapping. And for the body, just we can go here, and after that here we can select content, and then here you can select the blog identifier, then turn it on. So guys, integration is done. If you want to check, just you can go on tumblr.com. After that, you can go on your profile page and you can easily check that. Just click here enable website design, and here you can see this one.